uninstalling and reinstalling the USB and SD card on a 2U server. To remove the top cover, pull up on the latch and pull the lid up back to front. Your SD card will be located right here, and the USB is located right here. To get easier access, make sure to remove the plastic fan baffles. Move the cables out of the way to get easier access. To install the SD card, make sure it is flush to the board and you slide into the slot. You will hear it click. To install the USB, simply make sure it's facing the right way and plug it in. Put the baffle back the way it was, blue tabs facing towards the back. Make sure it is flush on both sides and you can reinstall the lid to the top of the chassis. To reinstall the lid, make sure you put it flush and slide to the front.